welcome to the TechLizard channel. So friends, today I will talk about LG's limited edition League of Legends UltraGear gaming monitor. So friend, in addition to a vibrant 27-inch OLED display boasting a fast 240Hz refresh rate, the monitor features distinctive League of Legends theme design and icons applied to its exterior and on-screen menus. Developed with valuable feedback from League of Legends gamer, and as one would expect from a multi-gear product, the 27GR95QL delivers smooth, impressive gaming experience and comes packed with gamer-centric feature. And friend, this monitor is the latest example of LG's strong partnership with Riot Games and developer and publisher of League of Legends. And friend, the below multiplayer online battle arena game now has the largest gaming fandom on all esports. And friend, it is designed with League of Legends enthusiasts in mind and ideal for competitive play, and it provides a generous 27-inch screen size, a high refresh rate, and response time of just 0.03 milliseconds grade to gay. And friend, the monitor's QHD resolution OLED display also support HDR10 and covers 98.5% of the receive E3 color gamut, helping to bring gameplay to life with vivid, accurate colors, sharp details, and great contrast. And friend, LG's limited edition UltraGear OLED gaming monitor adopts the Hextech-themed design of League of Legends, incorporating icons and imagery from the game into its menu screen. On its bold, stylish exterior, well-known symbols and motifs from the game have been applied to back of the monitor and to the front of its stand. And friend, gamers can enjoy option and setting menus bearing the game's logo, complete with fronts and borders that evoke the feeling of the League of Legends universe. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.